So we are back with the one we stopped, right? I think we stopped at the bowls, right? I'm pretty sure. So this one we had it the glue and the water. And on this one we had it the borax and the water. And we left out on to take out all the chunks, the big chunks. And if you did miss the beginning, I'm not sure if I showed it, but if you did miss the beginning, then you can so I'm just gonna show you this next right now. So what you would do is just in this first bowl, on the first bowl, what we did was just get a spoon, actually get the water and pour it in the bowl, and then get the glue and pour it, and then mix it and make sure it's dripping. And if it's not dripping, then just add either more glue or more water. And on this one, we said that we poured borax and the water, and we said not to put a little bit of borax, or don't put too much, because it can ruin it, and it would mess it up, and it wouldn't really be fine. And not to leave those big chunks of borax over here, because it will mess it up a lot. Okay, so we're done with the chunks, the big chunks. Okay, next, oh yeah, you could also add the food coloring if you had the food coloring. I don't want to use food coloring. I like it, but I don't want to use it. So you would drip it on the one that has the water and the glue, not the one that has the borax, because it would mess it up also. Okay, so next we would have the water and the glue. You put it on top of the one that has the borax and the water. Make sure all of it comes out. It's hard. Okay, there. Yeah, so make sure that all of it comes out. And how you would notice that it would become slime. Okay, let's move this out of the way. Let's move this out of the way. And how would you would notice that it is making slime, because look, you would start to mix it. It would start to look weird, and the borax would be coming back with the glue. And if you put it up, this is how it would look. And yeah. And then, yeah, you can just play with it. Oh yeah, also, what you could also do is spill out the extra water. That's what I'm gonna do right now, and I will be right back in one. Okay, so for filming a video, I did not take out all the water, but I took some out. A lot. And look how it looks. And how it would normally look is like this. You have to leave it out for a while. It would normally look like this. You can stretch it. It feels super duper good. Stretch it. Yeah, and if you add color, don't think that it would ruin it, because it would not. Just because mine doesn't have any color, that doesn't mean that you can't put any color on yours. So yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe my videos, like I said in the beginning. Make sure you like and subscribe. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.